Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to create a shareable Google Drive link for your photos. Whenever we need to send pictures to friends, clients, or classmates, we can follow these simple steps to generate a shareable link. Let's get started. On the Google Drive dashboard, we select the file we want to share. For example, let's click on this file. All we need to do is right-click on it. Then click Share. We need to make sure the file is set to anyone with the link before sharing. Next, we copy the link to get the link for this file. Once done, click Done. Now we can send the link to anyone. To confirm, we can check the link by doing a right-click and paste. There is our link. We can now paste it and send it to anyone we want to share it with. They will be able to open the link and view the file. And that is how we create a Google Drive link to share photos. We can now send pictures quickly and securely without worrying about large file sizes.